Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Apologies once again for this audio. In a day or two, the video will be set up in a new place. Coming back to the markets, US markets came under profit booking. Yesterday, what happened in Chinese markets, the small cap index or the mid cap index, what they call it as CSI 1000 index, it has fallen about 8% within 1 or 2 hours. And in fact, that index was down 37% in last 1 year and 27% in 1 month. And just yesterday alone, it fell 8%. So probably that could have triggered some profit booking in India in the afternoon. We were not sure because until afternoon our markets were very good. Then after that, Nifty has fallen nearly 250 points. US markets also came under profit booking, mainly because the Fed chairman in an interview said that the interest rate cut will not be as fast as the markets are thinking. So this comment has dented the sentiment, and the bond yield started shooting up, and bonds, fell by 2%. And because of that, the markets also came down. And surprisingly, all those stocks that did very well the day before yesterday, they all fell, like Facebook, Microsoft, I think all the stocks. And only two stocks that supported the market was Apple and Nvidia. So the Nasdaq did not fall much, but Dow and S&P 500 fell, decently. And S&P 500 from day before yesterday high to yesterday low, it was down more than 1.5%. Of course, towards the end of the day, it has recovered some ground. Asian markets, as usual, it's a mixed, like China, Hong Kong are higher, and Japan, Australia, South Korea, they are all down. GIF Nifty indicating about 20-30 point gap up, and that's because I think yesterday's selling seems to be overdone. Moreover, yesterday after the market, the FIA data came. FIA were actually net buyers for about 500 crores. It was the domestic institutions who sold the shares for nearly 1000 plus crore. So therefore, usually when FIAs are on the buy side, markets do not fall much. So that is one positive indication. Second positive indication, after many days, HDFC Bank has actually outperformed other banks. HDFC Bank, even until late afternoon, it was trading in positive territory. Only towards the end, when there was a significant fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty, that came to slightly negative territory. I think now it is more than 1% higher in US ADR. So in all likelihood, HDFC Bank is likely to support the market today. So otherwise, we are running into a big danger. 22,124 was earlier high, and last week high was 22,125. So technically, what the people call it as a double top. And this double top will be confirmed only if the market continue to fall some more from here. So therefore, the market should not fall much from here. It may fall maybe another 100, 200 point, and then it should stabilize, or it should move higher quickly. So otherwise, the double top will be confirmed, and then it will be very difficult for that top to cross for a long time. However, things, as I said earlier, uh, in a very highly volatile market, anything can happen anytime. Like unexpectedly, Nifty fell to 50 point one day. The next day, unexpectedly, it can shoot up to 50 points also. And that too, moreover, we are not following the global cues. Now, Bank Nifty has fallen more than 1000 points from Friday's high, and that too without any negative news, without any institutional selling. So FIAs did not sell Friday also, FIAs did not sell Monday also, but Bank Nifty has already fallen more than 1000 point. So some kind of a consolidation is required, at least, even if the markets were to continue to fall. So now looks clearly 22,000 will be a good resistance for next 2 days. And moreover, uh, tomorrow there's a Bank Nifty expiry, and day after tomorrow, like RBI policy is there. RBI policy is expected to be a non-event, and even RBI chairman is not likely to speak anything hawkish. So in that way, the bulls need not worry. But yesterday's late afternoon fall, 250-point fall, is something to worry really, and all the index heavyweights have fallen. So it was a across the board profit booking. Sometimes if domestic institutions choose to book the profits, so they might book the profits very aggressively. And yesterday, domestic institutions have just sold only 1,000 crore, and you can see none of the index heavyweights moved higher. So everything fell. And because domestic institutions, they have a concentrated portfolio in the index heavyweight stocks. So that is the main problem. So overall, now market is looking 21,500 to 22,000 box. So for a long time, it was 21 to 21,500, then 21,500 to 22,000. Then with some volatility, it crossed higher range and as well as the lower range. And now again, now firmly it has come back to 21,500 to 22,000. And 2 months of rally in November and December. Now 2 months of consolidation, January and February. In the month of March, we can expect some kind of a move. Election Commission is expected to announce the parliament election dates sometimes in the second week of March. So once that happens, the IVs may shoot up and the premiums may shoot up. Then that will last for about 2 to 3 months until the parliament election is over. So today the focus is on HDFC Bank. If HDFC Bank recovers, do well following the US ADR, and then the damage will be very less for Nifty. Even the Bank Nifty may try to recover also. So more than 1,000-point fall in Bank Nifty without uh, any associated news flow. Definitely at some point of time, some short covering will have to come. So that short covering may come tomorrow, maybe ahead of RBI policy, or who knows, it can happen today also. So be ready for another volatile session. Since the February series started, almost every day basis, Nifty is making 250, 300-point move from intraday low to high or high to low. So that's likely to continue. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.